In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. A manager account, sometimes called an MCC, is perfect if you plan to oversee multiple Google Ads accounts, organize separate brands or locations, or collaborate with clients. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Ads Manager. In the results, look for the official Google Ads link that says Go to Manager Accounts and click it. This takes you straight to the Manager Account Setup page where you'll see a simple form. First, enter your account display name. Think of this as the label people will recognize when they work with you. Choose something clear and professional, like your business name or an umbrella name for the accounts you'll manage. You can adjust it later, but it's best to start with a name that makes sense to colleagues or clients. Next, select the primary use of the account. You'll see options that indicate whether you're managing ads for other people or mainly for your own business. Pick the one that best matches your situation. This helps Google tailor the account experience and recommendations to your needs. Now choose your billing country, time zone, and currency. Take a moment here to be precise. The time zone determines how your reports and daily budgets are calculated, and it's typically locked once you create the account. The currency affects how costs are displayed and reported, and it's also difficult to change later. Select the country where your business operates, the time zone your team will use to review performance, and the currency you'll want to see in your reports. This setup doesn't charge you by itself, it simply defines how your account is organized. When everything looks good, check the I'm not a robot box to verify you're a real user. If a quick image or prompt appears, complete it. Then click Submit. You should now land in your new manager account. Click. Explore your account to move into the dashboard. Here, you can familiarize yourself with the navigation on the left, the overview on the main screen, and areas where you'll eventually link existing Google Ads accounts or create new ones under your management. Consider bookmarking this page so you can get back to it quickly. That's it. The manager account is ready. From here, you can explore settings, review account level preferences, and get comfortable with the layout before you